Hello guys, welcome to CT Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step process to set up your Pi Network account and start mining Pi for yourself. If you think you're late, that's not true, because this is just the beginning for Pi Network project. This is just the beginning. So make sure you set up your account now and start mining. And if you missed Bitcoin, you wouldn't want to miss Pi Network, because this is an opportunity for you to accumulate generational wealth, guys. It's an opportunity to accumulate generational wealth. All the information you'll be needing to get started will be in the description of this video. The link to click on and get started in the description. My referral code will be in the description. Make sure to use my referral code so that you'll be given 1 Pi at registration. So guys, let me go ahead and share my screen with you on the step-by-step process to set up your Pi Network account, guys. Let's go. So guys, this is how the link will look like. I'll leave it in the description of this video. So what you should do, just click on it. Once you click on the link, it's going to redirect you. So then this place, click on download. You can see use referral code erickeyznweke. So click on download. Then once you click on download, it's going to take you to Google Play Store. Click on install. So it's installing. So after installing, just click on open the app. Then it's going to welcome you. So guys, when registering, make sure you use your full details. Here it's asking you to continue with Facebook or phone number. So continue with Facebook, because if you continue with number, getting code might be difficult. So just continue with Facebook. So click on continue. Here you'll be able to put in your name. Please make sure to put in the right name, the way it is in your ID card or your voter's card or your international passport. Make sure it's like that. Any information you'll be using to do your KYC, which is know your customer, make sure the information you're putting here is the same. So your first name is your own name, and if you have any initial name or third name, after putting your first name, make sure you put it. Then your last name is your surname, guys. Make sure you put in the right information so that by the time you want to do KYC, you won't be having any issue, because a lot of people are having issue because of the mistakes they made while opening the account. So make sure you don't make the same mistake. So now, after putting your surname, you can choose a username, any username of your choice. So you can choose a username of your choice. So put in a username of your choice. After doing that, then click on submit. Click on submit after doing that. So it says the username has been used. So if you get this username has been used, just put in another username. Yes, you can put in another username if you get this. So just put in another username. Click on submit. Then put in my invitation code, which is erickeyznweke. Just type it on the screen, erickeyznweke. So I'll be leaving it in the comments, in the description of this video or the comment section, whichever one you saw it. Anyone that will allow you to copy it, just copy it and use it. So use my referral code. Then so click on get started. Then where it's saying tap to mine, so click on it. That's the place you'll be tapping to mine the coin every day. So click on next, click on next, click on next, view roles. So pioneer, contributor, ambassador node, developer, ambassador. So you are just the one of the pioneers. So just go back here. Now click on dismiss. Next thing is to click on the menu section. That's the 3 line on the top left corner. So click on it. Then go to your profile section, go down. Make sure everything is correct here. Make sure, because you can only update your name within 13 days. After 13 days, you won't see the option to update your name. So make sure everything is correct. Make sure everything is correct. After you've done that, you can now scroll down and verify your other information, your phone number, your email, and some other things. So you can verify your phone number, verify your email. Do you get? So it's very simple to add your phone number. Click on add, follow the instruction. So the next thing, go back to the menu section, then click on mainnet. So once you click on mainnet checklist. So click on mainnet checklist. Then you see all these section. These are things that you need to do. So click on the first one. You start from the first one, which is download Pi browser app. Click on start. Then click on sign into Pi browser. It will take you to Play Store. Click on install. So after installing, open the Pi browser. Then it's going to log you in automatically. So click on continue to Pi wallet. Then click on generate new wallet. So click on generate new wallet. Then here, make sure you copy your seed phrase, guys. Make sure you copy your seed phrase. Don't share your seed phrase with anybody. Don't let anyone see it. Make sure you copy it and keep very safe. Then click on use fingerprint. Then here is your wallet address. Whenever somebody wants to send for you, you're going to be sending this wallet address to the person once. Then click on continue. Then guys, this is how your Pi wallet looks like. This is how it looks like, guys. So this is how it looks like. Then sign in. So now you can see that the first one is completed, the second one is completed. So what you will do is that you will now click on the third one to complete it. Confirm your Pi wallet. That's the third one. Then here you paste your 24 seed phrase. So you paste it, then click on confirm wallet. So now click on continue. Then put in your fingerprint. So now you can see the third one now is completed. Your wallet has been confirmed. Then the next one is commit to lockup configuration. Click on start. Then drag this button to 100%. Drag it to 100%. Then go down. Then click on commit. Click on commit lockup. It's Sussex. Then go back. So this might not check, but by the time you complete the next one, it will work. It will complete. So click on sign acknowledgement. Then scroll down. Click on accept. I accept. Then paste in your 24 seed phrase to sign in. To sign the acknowledgement. Then click on I understand. Then go back now. You will see that everything has been completed. You can see even the one that didn't complete before is now completed. Then it is remaining KYC. Submit your KYC application. So here they are telling you thank for your interest in Pi KYC verification. Slots are not available at this time. Stay tuned. You will receive an invitation as soon as one becomes available. So once you see this, you're going to say okay. So once it's time, they will send you the invitation, guys. They will send you the invitation. So this is how your Pi wallet looks like. If you want to do your KYC, just tap on where it says KYC in future and do your KYC. Then if you want to log into your wallet, just tap on the wallet section and you'll be able to log in to your wallet. either with the seed phrase or fingerprint. Then this is how your wallet looks like. So let's go back to Pi app. So you see the thing that is remaining now is the Pi KYC and the migration of your Pi token. So they will notify you when your KYC is ready, so you don't have to worry about anything. So within these 92 days, which is about 3 months, within the 92 days, they'll send you a notification to complete your KYC. And once you complete your KYC, it will be successful. Then they will migrate your token to your wallet. So guys, this is just all you need to know. This is all you need to get started and start mining a Pi for yourself. That's all you need to do, guys. So every day, just go back to open the Pi app. Then here that is showing Pi/hour. That's where you'll be clicking every day to mine your Pi. That's how simple it is. That's how simple it is, guys. Guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Make use of the comment section if you have any question. Thank you, guys.